Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a drone tour of the fastest growing area in Jamaica, Drax. Now we're looking at the Drax Plaza, which is the #1 plaza in Drax. It was actually the first major plaza built in Drax. To the top left of the screen is Drax Manor, a massive housing development, almost 700, actually between 700 and 800 homes. To the right, that is the Northern Coastal Highway, and that is the main road that takes you through Drax. That highway actually runs right through St. Anne, connects Drax to Ocho Rios, Miami Bay, St. Anne's Bay, Discovery Bay, and Runaway Bay. Now straight ahead is the plaza, Drax Plaza, and there you can see KFC on the left. At the back is Express Fitness. So the front building you have KFC, Pizza Hut, Starbucks, and at the back you have Express Fitness, Sakuro, and CPJ. Now, that yellow building you're looking at is the new Quartz store. Quartz actually closed their store in St. Anne's Bay and opened this one. Very nice building, one of the more modern Quartz stores in Jamaica. Now, between the Quartz store and Drax Plaza, that's the place at the bottom, that's where they're building another commercial building. This entire strip is where they're building some commercial buildings. Now to the left of the Quartz store, that is a Knutsford Express Plaza, or Knutsford Express Business Center. At the front is a Knutsford Express Depot, and Knutsford Express is a luxury bus service that operates around Jamaica. But its most popular route is between Kingston and Montego Bay, and that's where Draxall is on that route. And at the back now, those white buildings are commercial buildings that you can rent. So that's the plaza section basically. Now straight ahead is another commercial building, and this building is going to have Uncorked in it. And as we said, along this entire strip is commercial buildings. Now on the left of the screen at the top is Total Tools Plaza. That's another commercial building. So what happened in Draxall is a lot of homes went up. The homes were based off the Richmond Estate model, and Richmond Estate is the nicest housing complex you'll find in Jamaica. So the Draxall homes were based on that model. Not as high end, not as nice, but nice enough for Draxall to completely sell out these homes. So you find in Draxall you have thousands of homes, gated communities, like what you see on the top left of the screen. Very nice developments. And before you knew it, Draxall had thousands of homes and thousands more under construction. And so Draxall originally was a suburb of St. Anne's Bay. But because of so many homes and St. Anne's Bay being an old town, commercial buildings started to go up in Draxall. And now you have about 20 commercial buildings and a few more still under construction. So that's why Draxall just emerged as the fastest growing area in Jamaica. It started with the residential homes, and then it has now gone into these commercial buildings. And a lot of persons in the diaspora bought out these homes in Draxall. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.